What? Alpha. Fight. Foxtrot! In other words, adios, mother. There's a plan in everything, kid. And I love it when a plan comes together.
Face you want napalm or new?
Oh, new guy. New guy! Murdoch, burn the hell out of it. Like it was damn.
Burn the whole place down, buddy.
You want secret sauce?
No. I'm not antifreeze.
The secret's out. You crazy. Everybody knows.
No one can do an antifreeze marinade like you can, Murdoch. But I got a little Bell's palsy last time I ate that.
It's only partial paralysis.
Yes, sir.
Take it
We're
like
having
me.
that conversation right now, and then we'll report back. I've got it well in
Yeah, I
hand,
don't think you
sir.
wanted me to be in the field partially paralyzed, bud.
Visitors.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm a little taken back, I'm not gonna lie.
Lieutenant.
I'm sorry, I just played you kind of
No, you're supposed to call me Captain.
Captain?
That's right.
Captain? Look at you. Wow.
Shut up.
No to the kid.
Blue is just being like the mean kid on the playground and took the ball away from Sweetie. She's trying to figure it out. Oh, she took it out.
Would you like some pork?
If I broke every bone in your hand, could you still do that?
This is crazy. 3 years?
Oh, Sweetie made a basket.
What would you like?